Someone has to be the boss.
tonight. I get to be
Tell
the
each other which one is it.
Oh, okay.
We know who's the boss,
boss.
it's the puppies. The puppies boss send her around.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh
He's like,
boy.
I want to play.
But that's that.
The fall.
Saturday I got.
They're not scared of anything.
No, that's too small to be scared. That's okay.
Yeah.
That's
It
the
started
that's
out
the
with
beauty of
first
the
to raise 5 of them. Third and
Turtle's all right.
8 bathrooms. They play like cats.
Where?
Stay down 14th and around Symphony.
Yeah.
See,
Are you looking for milk?
You're not on the hill?
Oh, I know there, yeah.
Oh, there's the guinea pigs.
Well, the one pig's not feeling good, so I'm let him play, but they can
Who's a good girl?
just sniffing the pigs, walking around, chasing.
You're a good girl.
The guinea pigs are so used to Cinder that
Yeah.
they're fine, as long as they, but they've got these sharp little teeth, so I'm worried that they might try to bite the guinea pig.
Oh, aren't you just being
And the guinea
adorable?
pig would bite them back.
You're being adorable.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're all being cute.
Yeah, exactly. They do.
Oh, choco, choco,
Now
choco.
we're all being
Ah, choco, 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 choco.
Her tail's wagging, so she's okay. She's gotta get those nuggets off her butt. And all the puppies. Now I don't just have nuggets on Cinder's butt, I've got 8 other ones. Try it, those little hangers. Like,
You
go
get
outside
your
and they have a wet one. and
sharp little teeth. You get sharp little
on a
teeth.
regular
I
basis.
know.
You get
And the
sharp
other thing is,
sharp little teeth.
doesn't clean himself any peas on his
Oh my goodness, silly guy. Jeez. Cinder's good there.
Yeah, Tony does that. Stuffed in between the chairs.
She's like, I am so tired. Is it nap
Dad.
time yet?
Yeah, they're all like under the couch.
Oh
behind
my
the couch,
God,
inside
they're
the
so
couch.
cute.
Oh yeah.
All right, big guy.
Hi, sweetie. Hiya. Who's a good puppy? Who's a good puppy?
Okay, awesome.
Oh, no, you don't want to stay still. No. Oh, choco, choco, choco.
And then you just go take,
Keep going and
to go to coffee, you can even take this old back push road, right?
yeah, she doesn't want to play with you either.
Don't think about it.
Oh, it's really hard to thought about it.
This is a new activity for him.
Is it?
Try and just, just a little, he hasn't gone the full way yet, he
Yeah.
just, a little bit of notice.
That looks like it smells like a girl.
You want to bite me?
Young, but
He's starting to get his hormones. It's very scary.
I'm not sure if that's pee or drool.
Bilbo, come here.
Most of them are sleeping with the coach.
Ganja, ganja. Yeah. Ow, ow. The sharp little teeth. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry, sweetie. I have to go. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, it's so cute.
hi. But just you have to shut the door. Send her off.
Bilbo, you're cute. You're the one I'm going to take. Come on. Bilbo.
Bilbo, you're really cute. I'll see you at the show, handsome.
Well, see you handsome. Well, see you later, handsome doll.
You were your cousin.
So pretty.
You were your cousin.
Hi.
Let's hope your cousin's blowing his coat really bad.
I love you so much. You're so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah.
So he's starting to
He's got his huge
blow
pillows.
the
Oh, he's blowing now.
Yeah. All right, kid. Come on. Nice to see you guys. See ya.
Oh, boy. Girl. I don't know what you are. I think little boy.
Yeah, that's okay. It was just it's a wild day today. And then I work tomorrow, so that doesn't work. And then Wednesday I've got another wild day.
Trying to go. I really am.
Yeah, you're so sweet.
I don't want to.
She's a sweet pea.
Is this a girl? Feisty. She's feisty. Yes, Princess Snow White is feisty. Her and the other one. There's one more. Probably so. Yeah, you did it. Great. Ow.
And your doggy is a little bit darker, isn't she?
Yeah, a little bit. The one on the back used to be dark, like her. A lot like her actually. A little bit darker slightly. We have pictures with her before started giving her haircuts and stuff. Because it doesn't grow like it's not fully grown back yet. So it takes.
Did you get haircut?
In the summer, yeah. Because I go because of the big guy, and also because she likes the exercise. I go to